In this video, I'm going to draw a postage stamp with a scene of a lighthouse in a landscape. I'm going to start with a square which represents the size of the postage stamp. So I'm going to draw a vertical line, measure it, and draw a horizontal line of the same length. And finish out the four sides. Then I'm going to draw a slightly larger square which represents the edge of the postage stamp. So now we have a frame. I'm going to draw a line that represents the shore and then the center line of the lighthouse. And on either side, I'm going to draw a sloping line, narrow at the top, wider at the base. With a base at the bottom. And then up above, I'm going to draw a railing going all the way around. And then inside that, the actual lighthouse, which has the windows. I'm going to add a road. Now I'm blocking out the trees, the center line of each tree with a zigzag shape, and I'm drawing conifers here. And then below, a line of the vegetation on the edge of the cliff. Then I'm going to draw the horizon line, which is the level of the water, making sure it's equal on both sides. So measure that, and then connect those points with the line. And then this is an island that we can see far away. In the space that's left, I'm going to draw some clouds. The way I like to draw clouds is a few semicircles or quarter circles connected with a straight line at the bottom. I made the lighthouse a little narrow at the top, so I'm going to widen it a little bit. And then add the stripes. Now I'll go ahead and ink it. And once again, I'm basically following the lines that I did in pencil, but as you're inking, if you feel like making a change, feel free to do that. Make sure you use a thin pen for small things like the trees and the clouds, and then a thicker pen if you like for the lighthouse and maybe for the frame and for filling in any areas. I'm going to add a little text and then just finish out the edge. It may be easier for you to turn the drawing when you're doing this, so try that. And that's our finished drawing. A colored version of this drawing is on my Instagram if you'd like to take a look.